Well, hey guys, Dave Master here. Today, I'll be doing a video about this game. This FNF type of clone. And the reason I didn't upload in a while is because I didn't have any ideas. Like, I had no motivation to continue, you could say. Yet, to put it simply, and plus I also never had time to do YouTube. That's plainly it. That's what happened to most small channels. They don't have anything to do. And I'm one of those small channels that don't know what to do. But this Roblox game is really fun. I also had I had to do lots of stuff while I didn't upload. I got a new keyboard, found out about new games, and enjoyed my life, basically. As simple as that. Comment down below if you have any ideas of what games I should play, because I'm running out of ideas. Like I said before, it would be nice if you helped me out. But it would be enjoyable if you were to help me out, because I'm a small content creator. So now, I'll be uploading for the summer break. I'll be uploading every Tuesday. I'll upload every Thursday. Or at least I'll try to do what I want to do. But you can't get ahead of the world all the time. You can't get ahead of the world. Once a wise man said. But I'm just trying to go back to this YouTube business. So it'll be really appreciated if you guys help me. This game I'm playing right now has lots of good songs. It has Song for You. Like, there's one called Genocide. I like that mod. I actually tried it out to myself. Well, I won't recommend games that I didn't play. Or have some, or tried out, or watched. Well, in my opinion, you should not always trust the person that informs you of stuff. I'm just hoping you guys enjoy your lives. To put it all down. Like, just to complicate things less. They even have this song. It's a Minecraft reference, but I'm just saying, it's not as easy as you think. You know, Minecraft. I also got a new keyboard and also a new computer. If you could tell, I already got a new computer. I just recommend you guys doing what you like to do and watch the stuff you like. I'm just giving you great advice. And before you say anything, no, I am not a kid. No, I mean, like, no, I'm not an adult. Well, if you were to know and be scientist, you would already know that. He's a good friend to have, actually. He gives good, great advice about many topics. I recommend you should subscribe to him. My personal opinion, he's the type of guy you like. He's the type of guy you should be subscribed to. There's so many. I just have time thanks to this virus. And plus, we all know we still have enough time thanks to this global pandemic that's happening. By now, you should think that you will get bored of your house. I recommend you go to Envy Scientist. He's a great friend to have. Also a good person to know. And he's just a great guy, to be honest. He's trying his best to make a good YouTube channel. He's trying his best to make a good YouTube channel, which I technically respect. And for all the people that are watching, like, is he gonna come back all the time? I will try my best. Well, I'll be uploading every Thursday. And and for you people that don't believe me, you can take my word for it. And I'll try to upload some Minecraft content. like every 2 Thursdays I'll do some every two Thursdays? Every 2 Thursdays I'll try to upload some Minecraft content. For now, I'm just gonna be rating Roblox games. For most of my time, I'll be doing either PvZ Heroes or rating. I'm thinking of renaming my channel to Alpha Master. Like the comment if you like the name. Dislike if you don't really think about my idea. But I don't care which one you do. Because I'm not too keen on I'm probably not gonna upload this channel in the future. Just warning. It's a little warning. If you don't see me uploading in the future. Or I'm just have no ideas again. All basically is to mention something. It's not a scam. You trust me. You mean like, oh my OMG voice reveal. It's not a voice reveal. You know, and you might be asking, why am I uploading on a Saturday? Well, I just had nothing better to do. To be fair. I actually played this song before. And the real mod. It's not as hard as it seems. And every Saturday, I might do like some talking. When I'm big enough, I would do some reacting. Like what I did before. Because I just don't know what to do. Words of encouragement will be really helpful right now. Like or you can type in the comments like, Paul, you're a man. You're the lad. It'd just be really helpful to me if you were to be nice. And not just spread rumors. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.